Hi friends, it's Strifor, and today we're going to talk about a company that has caught the attention of many green energy investors, Nikola Corporation. Let's break down what's been happening with this company's stock since its founding in 2014. Nikola Corporation was founded in 2014 and immediately started developing innovative vehicles. From 2016 to 2020, the company presented several electric truck concepts that generated a lot of interest. In February 2012, 300 to 500 battery and hydrogen-powered electric trucks were scheduled for delivery. The company develops and manufactures battery and hydrogen electric cars, electric car drivetrains, vehicle components, energy storage systems, and hydrogen refueling station infrastructure. The company's stock surged to nearly $94 per share in 2020, but then a pandemic-exposed market caused it to plummet to $30 in just a few months. In September 2020, an investigation from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission and the United States Department of Justice began, accusing the head of the company, Trevor Milton, of fraud and lying. In 2020, Trevor Milton was sentenced to 4 years for fraud charges involving lying about nearly every aspect of the business. According to the facts established by the court, Milton lied about billions of dollars in orders for hydrogen fuel cells and batteries, and about the availability of prototypes of long-haul trucks with no harmful emissions. Although the company itself was not indicted, the stock, having recovered to $48, fell as low as $30 after the investigation began. Last August, due to defects in the truck's power system, the company had to recall almost all vehicles sold, which had a big impact on the stock price. News of the start of deliveries of hydrogen-powered trucks in October brought the stock back above $1, but it failed to hold at that level, and it is now trading between $0.60 and $0.92. As of February 23, 2024, the stock closed at $0.67. Despite the challenges, the company continues to develop zero-emission transportation and infrastructure solutions. With a new CEO and focus on its core business, Nikola Corporation faces challenges but is taking efforts to make a difference. Nikola Corporation stock continues to fluctuate, but the future remains uncertain. Investors should keep a close eye on the company's financials and investigative updates. After all, big drops are often followed by big rises. In any case, don't forget to do your own research and risk assessment. We have reviewed recent events at Nikola Corporation. Let us know in the comments if you are interested in such reviews and which companies you would like to know more about. By the way, let us tell you how to trade Nikola Corporation shares. First, register an account by scanning the QR code or following the link in the description. Second, install the MetaTrader 5 platform. Third, find the Nikola ticker in the MetaTrader 5 terminal and make transactions using your chosen strategy. And if you are interested in green energy, in the description of the video we leave for you a link to our detailed article about green energy in trading with information on how to make money with it. Subscribe, like, and follow the world of financial investments together with Strifor. See you soon!